It's absolutely thundering through here at the moment.
You know, we're going to be doing our best working with the hotel partners, working with everybody to try and...
What we experienced is like something you see in a horror movie. It's something that you watch on TV, but not something you expect to actually happen in reality. I mean, we had cars flying over our heads. We had containers, 40-foot containers flying left and right.
Millions of Floridians will see major hurricane impacts with deadly, deadly, deadly storm surge and life-threatening winds. There is a serious threat of significant storm surge flooding along the entire west coast of Florida, and this has increased to 15 feet of impact above ground level. 15 feet is devastating and will cover your house. If you have been ordered to evacuate anywhere in the state, you need to leave right now. Not tonight, not in an hour, now.